Good morning. We're mobile, as you could see. Bonds down 20. Stocks looking to move higher. Talk that the situation in Syria, as far as U.S. military action, more than likely will be delayed, and stock market likes that and some of that flight to quality coming out of bonds. Additionally, there was quite a bit of economic news so far this morning. We had initial claims, as we do get every Thursday, down to 331. Last week was 336. They revised it up to 337, down 6,000 from there. Here we are at 331,000. And the last few reports have been hovering around this range, and that would support a jobs report, we think, closer to around 200,000 jobs for the month of August. That'll be reported on Friday, September 6th. So that pretty much would ensure a tapering September 18th. Look, we've been saying September 18th. We've been telling you this so many times. Going back to April was when we first forecast September 18th as the beginning of tapering. And finally, today, Steve Leisman saying on CNBC that he is now in that camp and joining us in the thinking that September 18th will be the day of the Fed tapering. We also think that the Fed's more than likely going to be tapering more of treasuries than they would mortgage-backed securities, but more on that as we get close to the September 18th date. Now, with respect to other news today, we did get GDP. Now, the advanced GDP number, which is a revision from the preliminary, was much better, up to 2.5%. Again, bodes well for tapering discussions in September. Inflation, according to PC, pretty much non-existent, very tame, at least so far. Let's take a quick look at the charts. Boy, mortgage bonds getting worse as we speak. Good thing we switched to locking bias. A couple of days ago, you might recall, we wanted to be very careful of this ceiling here, give it a chance to break through it, but when it appeared that we were backing off, we were in a locking bias yesterday, and that's continuing obviously today. Nice move off the floor here, hit the ceiling. Now we appear to be looking right back towards that floor, but that floor level is at least 60 basis points beneath present areas. So we also advise locking continuously today because it does appear that the next continued move will be lower. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.